Good evening, my name is Nishan Kale and today our topic is classification of matter. This is chemistry topic. So what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has some mass. Means, for example, if we take an object, when we put it on some wall, it takes place and it has some mass. It called matter. And our next an atom is divided into some particles and small particles that we can atoms. These atoms are very small molecules. It contains electrons, protons, and neutrons. These are atoms. These are this nucleus. Around the nucleus, we can see the protons and neutrons, and the electrons revolve around the shells. Then molecules. Molecules are the particles which are made by the mixture of two atoms or by mixing two or more atoms. Then our classification matter, there are three states of matter. Matter is divided into three substates. First is solid. In solid, we can see the molecules are very close to each other and they are packed to each other and tightly packed and reach with each other, and solid molecules have very high intermolecular force and they have these have very strong intermolecular force, but solid do not have different volume. Solid. Now second type is liquid. In liquid, we can see that the molecules are apart, far from each other, and we can also see that the intermolecular force is median intermolecular force. Median intermolecular force can be seen in the liquid particles. We can also see that liquid has specific volume because their molecules are not close to each other. Third state is gaseous. In gaseous, we can see that the molecules are very far apart from each other. Means we can see that intermolecular force is very weak, and we can also say that they do not have the intermolecular force. The gas have different volume because of the position of the molecules. Then let's go to the next point is interconvergent state of matter. So what is meant by interconvergent state of matter? Means when we apply pressure or temperature on anything like when we apply pressure and temperature on solid can change state from solid to liquid. For example, if we apply temperature and pressure on the liquid change into gas, and gases do not change something. Gases can change into vapors and can also change into droplets. For example, we can see we have ice cube which is solid. After some time, due to air pressure, atmospheric pressure and the temperature, it changes into the water. And after temperature and pressure, due to temperature and pressure, this water changes into some gaseous or vapor. Then our next topic is types of interconvergent state of matter. There are few types. For example, melting. First type is melting. What is melting? The melting is a process on which, if due to temperature or due to heat, metal changes state from solid to liquid. This is called melting. And melting point. Second is melting point. Melting point means only this is the melting. Melting means the when a matter changes state from solid to liquid after heating. A melting point means at which temperature the temperature at which the solid change into liquid by heating. Then third is boiling. What is boiling? Boiling is similar to the evaporation. Boiling means if we heat a liquid, it transport its state into liquid into gaseous form from the bulk. Means bulk from the downside vapors from the downside. And what is boiling point? Boiling point means at the temperature at which the water start boiling. For example, if you take water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Means at the 100 degrees Celsius our water start to boil. Then our fifth is evaporation. Evaporation is a process due to the heat, water gases liquid state change into vapors from the surface. Means if we evaporate something, it do not evaporate from the bulk, it evaporates from the surface. Means if you take the example, we can see example evaporation is we can also say this process is very important for the water cycle process. When if we, for example, the water evaporate, the seawater evaporate due to the sun heat, water of the surface of the sea and the lakes evaporate and change into vapor, and after it condenses. The sixth is condensation. What is condensation? The condensation means the evaporate water means the vapors are converted into few droplets due to the cold temperature. This is called condensation. तर आपला नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आहे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फिजिकल स्टेट्स ऑफ मॅटर. म्हणजे आपल्या प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मॅटरच्या कशा असतात तर पहिले आपण पाहू शेप म्हणजे आकार. तो गॅसमध्ये जे आकार असतात आपण पाहू शकतो की गॅसमध्ये जो नो शेप म्हणजे नो डिफरंट शेप म्हणजे गॅसला आपला शेप नसतो. दुसरा लिक्विड ऑल्सो डू नॉट हॅव डिफरंट शेप. But solid have different shape because its molecules are tightly packed each other and reach it. Then volume. The gas have no different volume because the molecules are very far from each other. And liquid have volume because the molecules are not so far with each other, but they are only few far from each other. Solid have different volume because their molecules are very tightly packed with each other. Then mobility. What is intermolecular force? Intermolecular force means the force between the molecules of the matter. If you see in gases, intermolecular forces are very. Intermolecular force are easily. In liquid, it is made. I mean, it not less or it is not very. Then in solid state, the intermolecular force is very strong because their due to intermolecular forces in solid, the molecules are very tightly packed each other. Then mobility. What is mobility? Mobility means ability to move, the ability to movement of the molecules. In gases, we can see the molecules are moves from here and there because they are far from each other. In liquid state, mobility is less. Means liquid can less mobile because their molecules are few close to each other. And then in solid, there is no mobility because the position of the molecules. Then compressibility. What is compressibility? Compressibility means if you apply force on any state of matter from A side to B side, then it will be flattened or it will be compressed. For example, gas are compressed. For example, we fill the oxygen in the oxygen cylinder by compressing it. Then liquid are less compressed and solid do not compress. Then density. What is density? Density means mass upon volume. mass upon volume is called the density. Means the mass of the state and its volume. Means how its state increase. Then the density of gas is gram diameter per cube, and density of liquid is gram per centimeter cube, and in solid gram per centimeter cube. It is also gram per centimeter cube. So thank you.